Hey guys, welcome to another video, and I am ready to film you with my doll, and I'm going to show her what clothes she's literally going to wear. I'm sorry about the lighting. Maybe if I do that, less a little bit, tiny bit there. But you just turn off the light. The better. There we are. So I'm going to be filming my doll that is reborn, kind of. So I'm going to film her, and I'm going to see if you like her. Let me know in the comments down below. If you like my t-shirt, also let me know. So I will stand up. I will stand you up right here. Just you can see my doll, what she looks like, and everything. So I've let you seen her before, I think, if you've been watching my other videos. This is my third video on my channel, and I am going to be filming just her. So here she is. This is my little doll. She looks real, doesn't she? Look how cute. So cute she looks. And after I've dressed her, I will put you right like here, like down there a little bit. So let me just show you where I'm thinking of putting you. I'm thinking of putting you by the edge of that blue tub, by here. By here. I'm thinking of putting you by here. You can still see the baby's legs and everything, and see her getting dressed. So we'll get her dressed into a nice little pajamas. Actually no, not like pajamas. We'll get her dressed into here's her arm. Hi. Right. Let me just move her so you can see the face. There we are, and I will put her right here for you to see the head. And yeah, so I'm gonna start by here, making her body look okay. You might not hear me now because the hoover is on. My dad is hoovering and he's trying to clean to make my house look better, but I want a bigger house. This is why I'm doing this YouTube career. So literally I just want a bigger house. I'm trying to move house so I could have a nice room, but my dad is trying to build another room in my house, so we'll have to start living with that. But the next thing is that the kids that are watching this video, it's not all about the money. So let's just get started dressing up my little baby munchkin. And we'll let her have these trousers. These are a tutu attached to the trousers. Actually, let's just give her a nice little decent skirt. A nice decent skirt. Or let's give her a summer outfit. How'd she look in that? How do you think she'll look in that? Let me know now, and I will comment as much people as I can. This won't be a long video. Well, it depends on how much I'm going to be talking to you guys. So, this is...
Say, I hope there's nothing on your floor, babe.
I'll take you to my bed. Yeah?
What's that for, babe?
What for? Oh, that? I don't really know.
Oh, God. I've not moving your bedrooms today yet.
Hmm? I'm gonna give her a nice little sporty t-shirt to go under. Actually, let's just see what kind of t-shirt do I have for her. I have one of these t-shirts. Yeah, this will be fine. This will be fine. Just have to get all the toys off of it. I'm sorry for the lighting. The lighting is kind of going cuckoo today. Let's just get up to my bed. My bed's up, so we'll have to put you up for a little bit. So we'll have to, you know, stop the video. Hello again, and we are back, and we are going to start with this baby. Just take off that look nasty. Just spotted it. Because I decided to crochet and everything. And the hoover's back on, it's closer, so you might not be able to hear me right now. So hi! I'm going to shout. So, like that. Literally all day. So, I'm going to be making sure that this baby is dressed for the occasion today. It is not really a summer day, but the rain is out. Misery. So this is my life, dressing the baby each weekend. So every weekend, and it is Saturday, and I'm gonna upload it tomorrow. So Sunday it'll be uploaded and everything. So it'll be edited, you know, stuff like that. Just try to be as quiet as I can to make your family life easier. Your mum might not know that you're watching me, or, you know, it's just simple things. So just, your family members might not want you to watch me. I get it. If you don't want to watch me, you don't want to watch me, so it doesn't matter. I don't really care. I have fans, I don't have fans, but this is my first different video. I will change my name from Taylor Vincent, because that's my name of my YouTube channel. And if you want to watch more, just type in Taylor Vincent, videos from 1 to 3, and you will see all my videos from 1 to 3. So yeah, so just type that now if you would love it. So you just type it whenever you want, really. I'll get the baby socks on. There's a little feet. It's just, we'll have to put a bib on her soon because she's having dinner, you know, simples. She drinks stuff, but there's a little tube to her body that makes her poop and everything. So, yeah, I guess it's like a real baby, really. You have a tube. So does this baby. but I won't do a poop video because I'm trying to be kid friendly. So I'm a kid friendly channel and I am 8 years old. That's why I'm not showing my face, but you might have seen my face on episode 1 of my channel. So you might have seen my face. But I heard the tragedy over Ariana Grande on the news, so that's kind of heroic. I'm not telling you about it, otherwise that would be kind of creepy. And yeah, so I will touch you outside. How about that? Most people don't like that meme. I think it's hilarious. Be sad. How about that? I'm an 8-year-old girl and I am normal, just like you lad. I'm not like a singer. Singers are normal. So I'm not like popular. I'm just a normal girl, so you can't judge people. Like, say if a kidnapper wanted to kidnap a singer, but then he just thought they're normal people. Imagine if I kidnapped a normal person and their family came after me. So he left the singer to do back to his job, and just imagine that. I'm not showing my face. I'm not showing you much of the baby because I don't want you to like. Most people try to steal my doll because how adorable it looks. So I'm not letting you like. I'm going to put it on below. I'm going to put it on below whenever you try to see my face or anything, because I'm not letting other people see my face. I said my family and my aunts and everything. And, you know, my aunts. I'm not American. I am, you know, I am Welsh and I come from Wales. I am in Wales. And I hear Seapeekay used to live here, so that's why I really love this place. Because if you, I'll leave in the description Seapeekay, and Seapeekay is awesome. Everyone go down to Seapeekay's channel and subscribe. Taylor Vincent to her video, and subscribe and comment down below. Taylor Vincent has shouted you out, or Taylor Vincent has named your name on her videos. So if you watch me and him, well, I'll leave you a description down below. He's kid friendly, but sometimes he says bad words. Sometimes he plays Minecraft. He sometimes plays Roblox. And he plays Trollcraft with ldshadowlady, smallish beans, and Orion sound. Orion sound is the weirdest of the bunch, so say you're weird to Orion sound if you would like. Or say Taylor Vincent thinks you're weird. Okay. Just because, listen to him. Literally. And here's the baby all dressed up in her nice outfit for the day, so you can't see her face. She's got a cardigan. Overalls. She's got nice hands, obviously, and she's got nice little tutu ballet. She's got blue eyes, light blue eyes. I don't know where she got them from, but yeah. And she's got a nice little.
Okay.
YouTube.
You're gonna stop that now, aren't you?
I know I am.